Please.
Hold on,
Why are you ignoring me?
hold on. I said I do not want this. Can't you hear me?
I'm sorry.
What? Excuse me.
What did I do?
I've already made my choice. You wait for the time to pronounce the winner.
What?
Yes.
Who is your choice?
It's none of your business.
It's my business. I'm you my prince.
No.
It's what I want. It's what I want. My prince. My prince, please. Please.
Stop.
My prince.
You heard him.
Oh.
You heard him. You heard exactly what he said. He has made his choice. If I were you, he has made his choice. And that choice is me.
My prince,
I am bigger than you are. So now you see.
Please. My love is here.
My
Please.
prince, you can do this to me.
Hey.
My prince, I want you. Please, I want you.
Mommy, not
My
that.
prince. Oh, okay, fine.
I don't want to get you angry, but
My love is here. My love is here. Yes.
shush away, shush
I am
away.
going to waste your neck. Kill you.
Stop.
My prince.
I want to give my love a good night kiss.
Aww.
My prince.
I am going to deal with you.
Let's go.
I will deal with you.
Get away.
My prince, that's why I want you.
I'm gonna deal with you. You deal with you. Nonsense. That girl is so stupid. So stupid.
My prince! My prince! Prince!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.